Hi there, welcome back to JD Answers. Today I'll be reviewing the Pormido Prd80 2K Rearview Mirror Dashcam. Stay till the end because I'll be showing you some driving footage. This is a 10-inch rearview mirror dashcam. The front records at a 2560 by 1440 2K resolution for the front camera with a 170 degrees wide-angle lens that covers a full view of the road. The rear camera has a 1920 by 1080p resolution with a 150 degree wide-angle lens to view the road and your blind spots. The dashcam replaces your rear view mirror with a 10-inch Pormido Prd80 Rearview Mirror Dashcam. Let me give you a summary of how to install the dashcam. Assemble the Pormido Rearview Mirror to the bracket. Remove your existing rearview mirror. Install the Prd80 Rearview Mirror to the windshield mount. Position the front camera and mount it to the window shield. Route the wires using the cord keeper that came with the dashcam. Install the rear camera cable. Install the optional red wire to use a backup camera function with reversing grid lines. For a step-by-step video on how to install the Prd80 Rearview Mirror Dashcam, subscribe to JD Answers because that video will be coming out soon and I'll put a link in the description below. The rear view mirror bracket holds the dashcam mirror steadily with bumps or vibrations on the road. With the Pormido dashcam, there is only one wire to connect the rear view mirror screen. The front camera and the rear camera connect to the rear view mirror wire. However, the connections will be under the headliner and you will not have any wires coming out of the top of the rear view mirror, making it a clean and tidy install. The Prd80 dashcam has two additional features that can assist you in your camera angles. You can use the flip feature to rotate the video screen upside down 180 degrees. And here's an example of how to set that up. Alright, to use the rear flip, all you got to do is touch the screen, get into the settings, rear flip. So we're going to turn it on, go back out, and you can see how the image is 180 degrees upside down. Flip. Turn it off, go back to the main screen and it's right side up. Or you could use the mirror screen feature. The screen of the rear view mirror is displayed in a mirror view. And here's an example of how to set that up. Now I want you to notice this blue car. It's on my left side, which is the correct side. So we're going to get into the screen and we're going to go to settings, to rear view mirroring, and we're going to turn that off. Go back to the screen and you can see it on the right side now. Here we go. Turn it back on. And there it is. It's on the right side. Underneath the rear view mirror is a compartment for the SD card. It is hidden for the rear view mirror to have a clean look. To remove the micro SD card, simply remove the cover and the SD card will be on the left side. Push in to remove the micro SD card and push in to reinstall a new SD card. The dashcam comes with a 64 gigabyte SD card for instant recording. Make sure to format it before you start recording. Then format it every month to refresh the storage. The maximum gigabyte the dashcam can support is a 128 gigabyte SD card. I'll put links in the description to purchase. Now let me explain what loop recording is. Loop recording will create new recordings that would automatically overwrite the oldest recording when the memory card is full. You can set this to 1 minute, 3-minute, or 5-minute loop recording. Even though you have loop recording, formatting your SD card once a month is recommended. I'll put a link in the description below for more information on loop recording and G-Sensor. This video has valuable information for dashcam users. The 10-inch rear view mirror is a touchscreen. Slide up or down on the left side of the screen to adjust the image up and down. Slide left or right on the top of the screen to adjust the brightness. Slide up and down on the right side to zoom in and out of the rear image. Long press the time to show or hide the time and date. Slide the center of the screen to the right to toggle between screens, or click the toggle button to switch displays. With the 10-inch touchscreen, you can also set the settings, set parking mode, and play back videos. Then there are 3 buttons on the bottom of the screen for most used function. You could press the buttons quickly to take a picture, rather than pulling out your cell phone while you drive. You could also switch screens to view a certain camera angle, or turn off or on the display without accessing the menu while driving. The rear view mirror dashcam adopts a full laminate HDR screen, which minimize the reflections from strong sunlight. It also reproduces overexposures from headlights, and license plate numbers can be viewed clearly in night vision utilizing the dual IMX335 WDR lens. The PD80 dash cam comes with two anti-glare mirror screens. I installed the anti-glare screens and you don't see any glare when using it. Just in case you need it, the anti-glare screens really work. The Pormido Rearview mirror dash cam can be used as a backup camera. All you need to do is install the red wire to reverse lights. Make sure to subscribe to JD Answers because in the installation video, I will show you step by step on how to install the red wire. The backup camera has parking grid lines that can be adjusted. Now let me show you how that works. And the grid lines are shown. To adjust them up, you want to swipe to the right. There you go, you can see that. And when you're at the end, if you want to adjust them back down, swipe to the left. And there you go. And that's how you do it. That's the grid lines. The GPS module is built into the digital rear view mirror. The GPS adds driving speeds and compass directions on the rear view mirror and on your driving footage. The dash cam also comes with G sensor. The G sensor can be set to off, low, middle, or high. The G sensor is triggered by collision or shake like potholes, speed bumps, or hard braking and will automatically start recording a 30-second video. The dash cam will lock that current footage and will not be overridden by loop recording. This will protect your video for any insurance claims. The only way to delete emergency files is by formatting your SD card. Now this is the main feature I like. The Pormido PD80 dash cam is customized with the Hardwire kit. The customized Hardwire kit gets power from the fuse box directly for parking monitoring. In my installation video, I will show you step by step on how to install the Hardwire power cable into your vehicle. In the settings under battery low voltage protection, you can choose the voltage protection you want. For a 12-volt vehicle, you can set the voltage to 11.8, 12-volt, or 12.4 volts. For a 24-volt vehicle, you can set the voltage to 23.8 volts, 24 volts, or 24.4 volts. After you choose your settings, the dash cam power will be cut off automatically when it drops to your settings. So the car battery is protected and never drains out even after you've been parked for a long time. Since you don't have to purchase a Hardwire kit separately, you could take advantage of the parking mode features right away. To get a better understanding of parking mode, let's look at the settings. First, you must turn on parking mode. The dash cam has two modes for parking monitoring: sensitivity, which is the G sensor, or time lapse. If you select sensitivity parking mode, turn off time lapse parking mode. Then you can select the sensitivity to off, low, middle, or high. The higher the sensitivity, the more lock files you will record. When parked, the dash cam will be activated and record a 30-second video when it detects a collision and then turn off. If you want to use time-lapse parking mode, you will need to turn off the sensitivity. First, you will need to set the frames per second. You could choose 0.5 second, 1 second, or 5 seconds. The number represents the time the camera will take a picture. These pictures will be displayed in a video. The video will look like it's on a fast forward. Then you will need to set the length of the time lapse. You could set it to 12 hours, 24 hours, 12 hours, or unlimited. Let me show you some time-lapse videos. During the video, I will slow down the video at times to show you that you could still see details in time-lapse parking mode. Now it's time to show you some driving footage and you can see the dash cam at work. Okay, so what you think? Is this the right dashcam for you? If it is, I'll put links in the description down below. If this video was helpful for you, please like this video because it really helps the channel grow. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and select all notifications because I got the installation of this dashcam with the Hardwire kit installation. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.